Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. So today I'm looking at a window opening on a brick veneered house, and there are two things that I'd like to point out to you as far as the maintenance goes of window openings. So one is this steel lintel, this piece of metal above the window here. It's essentially a shelf that holds the brick above the window. Now, the downside or the maintenance issue that comes in to play with a steel lintel is that you need to protect it against rusting. Rust is not a good thing to allow on a steel lintel. So what can happen is the rust will degrade the steel lintel, and that rust will expand and it can cause the brick veneer to crack. So it's important that this steel lintel is adequately maintained. Now, the way you prevent rust from forming on a steel lintel is to have a good coat of paint on it. Now, as you can see on this lintel, it's already started to rust in areas. So rust has started to form in some of these areas, and I don't know if you can see it very well, but in this case, that steel lintel, there we go, that steel lintel will need to have the rust removed and then an adequate coat of paint applied to protect that steel lintel from further rust. The other key feature of a window opening that I'd like to point out is sealant. So along the edge of this window, you see what many people call a bead of caulking. This is actually an elastomeric sealant. And as you can see, it's starting to crack. So this opening here can allow water and pests and air inside to the wall, which is not a good thing. So it's important that this bead of sealant be maintained. Now, you don't want to just use any old caulking that you can pick up at most big box home improvement stores. You want to use the correct type, and like I pointed out before, it's an elastomeric sealant. Now, the reason why you want to use that is this needs to be robust enough to withstand contraction, expansion and contraction, and the effects of the weather for years. And normal caulking is not up to that task. So get the correct product for this seal right here, and what would need to be done in this case, the old stuff would need to be removed, and a fresh bead of elastomeric sealant would need to be applied. Well, I hope this video was helpful and enlightening. We put out videos like this on a regular basis that include simple repairs that many homeowners can do, and as well as house knowledge like this video. If you found it helpful, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button, and if you feel so inclined, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that subscribe button as well. You'll be updated with regular videos like this that I believe contains essential information that every homeowner needs to be aware of. Well, have a great day, and bye for now.